Hello friends, so today we are going to see the top 7 hottest Korean drama which are going to release in September 2020. On number 7 we have Lovers of Swangwang Villa. The Lovers of Swangwang Villa has total 100 episodes and it is going to release in 19 September. Drama series follow the life of a people who live in a Swangwang Villa. Woo Jae-hee works as an architect and his father Woo Jung-hoo runs a big company, but Woo Jae-hee has feuded with him over the year, and after entering the university, Woo Jae-hee lived independently and he did not receive any support from his family and his father, and now he is handsome and smart and does the good work as an architect. He meets there a girl whose name is Chae-woom for the first time at a house remodeling site. The Chae-woom works as an interior designer in a shop. Her job is to visit the customer and help to select the curtains, lightings and other design choices. The Chae-woon and Woo Jae-hee get into the argument at the house remodeling site. They are both also the resident of the villa. The Jae-hee has a warm feeling for the residents and like the general atmosphere in the villa, but Chae-woon has a different view of a place. She supports her family including her mother and two younger siblings. She feels burdened by having the always supporting her family and she dreams on one day becoming a textile designer, but it is not easy for her. She also dreams of living a villa and the responsibility of being the head of a household. All burden has come on her. Despite of everything, how the situation become different and how their love blossom in such weird and a difficult situation. On number 6 we have Again 18. The Again 18 has a total 16 episodes and it is going to release on 7 September. The Jung Da-jun is a woman who is married to the 37-year-old Hong Dae-young. They have 18-year-old son and a daughter. The Jung Da-jung works as a rookie announcer and she has a warm heart. She becomes completely fed up with her husband and she is now unable to deal with him anymore. Hong Dae-young got fired from his job and he is looked down by his family. The Jung Da-jung hands him a divorce paper. Meanwhile, the Hong Dae-young look at himself as an ordinarily jobless middle-aged man. He regrets his life. At the moment, his body changes into the 18-year-old boy while his mind is still 37-year-old. Back in his teenage age, the Hong Dae-young become a very handsome boy and has a very excellent basket player and is very popular. Now with his regained 18-year-old body, he changes his name to Koo Woo-young and begins to live a new life as a handsome boy in a college girl. So this is all the drama which goes in back the 18 years and it also time travel drama type. On number 5 we have Private Life. The Private Life is a South Korean drama and in this we see the Cha Ji-yoon is an con artist unintentionally involved in her private matters on a national scale and compete against with a massive corporation Cha Ji-yoon, who reflect the sorrow of ordinary people living in Korea. She grew up learning the con artist skill from her parents who have committed fraud in order to survive, and she now become a con artist, and after this her life changes and become very upset life, sad life, and many ups and downs come in her life, but also she finds a true love of her life in such difficult conditions. On number 4 we have Life of Lies. The Life of Life has a total episode. The total episode is about 16 episodes and going to release on 4 September. It is a fantasy, romance, melodrama, suspense drama. It tells us the story of a love, true love that begins with a woman lies because her own daughter's stepmother, Ji Yoon-seo, a woman who married into a chaebol family, is pointed out as a murderer of her husband overnight, and she struggled to get back the daughter she birthed in a prison. So this is the story, and in this we will see the drama with a love and where the mother is fighting for her daughter to get back. On number 3 we have Zombie Detective. A Zombie Detective is a drama in which the Kim Woo-young is a zombie for the past 2 years, and to survive he has become a man and live in a village, but then he goes to the city and there Kim Woo-young opens the office to work as a private detective. He does not remember anything before becoming the zombie, and he struggled to live with a human and to regain his past memory. Meanwhile, the Kong Soo-jin used to be the writer of a current affair complaint program. She witnesses in a case that she was working on. She was attracted by an unknown man. Due to this, she quits her job and she becomes involved with Kim Moo Young and takes a part-time position at his private detective office. So this is going to be the love story of a zombie and a girl. So it will be really interesting to watch it. On number 2, we have Friends Become Lover. The Friends Become Lover is a drama in which, due to the misunderstanding, the Lee Soo and Kyung Woo Yeon have held a crush on each other for over 10 years. And Lee Soo works as a photographer and he is very attractive and is also mistaken for a model many times, but he is only photographer. The Kyung Woo Yeon works as a calligrapher and she had a crush on Lee Soo for over 10 years since she was 18-year-old, but she never expresses, and he also has a crush on her, but they both never ever expresses their love to each other. And suddenly the third person come in a life of their both and they get confused, and also their professional life give many ups and downs, but still their love for each other did not become less. So this will be also a very interesting drama, youth drama, romance drama to watch with a love triangle. On number 1, we have The Youth Record, or A Record of a Youth. It is a drama which is going to be released on 7 September. In this drama, we are going to see the life of a people who were in the modeling life. The Sa Ye-jun is a smart and handsome, and he is a nice guy and a popular model, but he wants to become an actor, and he have given many auditions but not got success. So that the Sa Ye-jun get demotivated and now he don't want to become an actor. Meanwhile, the An Jeng-ha work as a makeup artist, and then they meet each other, and all the life and a movement begins to give the ups and downs. And also there is a third person who are also involved with them, and also we see the love between a girl and a two boy, and the feeling of many confused love triangle, and also how they work and support each other to achieve their dreams and to be success, and many failure come in their life but they don't give up. So this is going to be very interesting drama with many ups and downs, and also going to inspire many things. So we are waiting for this drama to be released in September.